That is the cutest thing ever. Hey, helmet boy. Go that way. Go that way. That's the seat. You want to get in? Me?
You can't push.
You? Okay, you get in and I'll push you? Or me get in? Okay.
I don't know about that.
Okay. I'm too big.
Daddy's too
You
big.
get in.
Why don't you go get Snowman and put Snowman in?
Okay, put Snowman. I'll go get the bear. I'll get the bear. Okay, should we put the bear in? I'll stick him in here and he'll get in. Oh, he's big.
Turn the hall light on.
Uh-oh, he's too big too. Maybe
Get a Snowman.
No, oh, the bear. Okay, Snowman. Come on. There.
Crash. You done now?